What's going on, YouTube fam? It's Jeff from Two Wheels and a Meal here, and today we're going to visit the Saucy Bird. The Saucy Bird is a local food truck that sells fried chicken, man. Fried chicken tenders, fried chicken sandwiches. And I've been trying to get over here for a hot minute, dude. I've just been busy. Their schedule where they are and where I am just doesn't match up. So today I got the opportunity to try the Saucy Bird. So we're gonna roll the intro. We're gonna get this vlog popping. Shoot. So as you can see right here, guys, we're pulling up to the Saucy Bird. We're gonna get some fried chicken today, man. See what they're working with. Stick around. It's gonna be good. Hey, how's it going? Just need a second here to figure out what I want. I'm gonna do the old timer and a side of Brussels. Out of Brussels. Alright, I'll just do a Route 11 potato chip. Okay. And then I'll get a bottle of water too, please. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. All right, sweet. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, right on. Sweet. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Just a little background story about the Saucy Bird for you guys. It's been a food truck in our area for several years now, and then here recently, within the last 6 months, he broke his ankle. He, the owner of Saucy Bird, who runs it, broke his ankle, and the community came together, started a GoFundMe, so he could continue running his business, man, so he wouldn't lose out on all his bills and all the stuff he needs to do, which I thought that was really cool. The community, man, like his food truck is people fucking love it, man. Hey, don't worry about that little guy right there. The community really loves this food truck, so it was cool to see him come together and get him back on his feet, you know, and continue to support him. So like I said, I'm extremely excited to go over here and taste his food. We're about to pull up to the park here. We'll have like a little afternoon picnic here with the Saucy Bird. Montgomery Hall Park. Nice little low-key spot to have some lunch. A picnic table up here. This park's pretty cool, man. There's a bunch of like mountain bike trails and hiking trails and stuff like that. They got a frisbee golf course, and then of course all the stuff a normal park has, baseball fields, playgrounds, and all that. But we're gonna hit up this picnic area. Let's see what this Saucy Bird's all about, man. Hell yeah. He is low-key as shit here, man. Come here a couple times, nobody's been here, which I like. I'm gonna pull the bike right up in here, man. Fuck them. Nice little picnic here this afternoon at Montgomery Hall Park, eating the Saucy Bird. Let's hop back on the bike here and we'll give you a little synopsis. Oh yeah, make sure you throw your trash away, man, in the proper receptacle. No littering. We don't do that shit. Yeah, man, the Saucy Bird was amazing. I got a sandwich called the Old Timer. Just buffalo fried chicken. It had provolone cheese on it, honey mustard, and pickles. They were unfortunately out of the fried Brussels sprouts, which I really wanted and heard were extremely good. Yeah, but the sandwich was solid as fuck, man. It got all smushed. You know, obviously I'm on the motorcycle, so the only means of carrying it is my backpack. So it kind of got smushed up a little bit in my bag, but the flavors were there, you know what I mean? All the flavors, so props to them on that, man. Flavor and texture, the crunchy chicken, and the nice sweet pickles. You know, sweet and tart pickles, and then the sweet from the honey mustard, man. It was on point, dude. Nice toast on the bun. Would definitely recommend going there. I definitely will be going back, and I will be getting something different next time, because that's what I like to do, man. I like to try a little bit of everything. See if execution's there and all that, and see what they're really working with, you feel me? So I don't really have much else going on today. I'm gonna go for a little ride here, and then we'll give you guys an update here in a few. It's a good ass bike, man. I bought this bike almost 10 years ago, man. I bought it with 8,000 something miles on it, and now it has 33,700 miles. 2006 Kawasaki ZZR, man. It's a great fucking bike, man. And then this right here, guys, if any of you are wondering what this ribbon is, this is a ribbon from a memorial ride we just went on for Miss Jessie. She had lost her life in a motorcycle accident. Extremely tragic motorcycle accident, and it was really special to go out on the ride and pay my respects. Ride on forever, Jessie. I really enjoy doing those charity rides and the memorial rides, because it gives you an opportunity to ride for the people who can no longer ride, you know what I mean, or no longer with us, or physically aren't able to do it anymore. So I really enjoy doing those community charity rides and benefit rides, and anything I can do to help benefit the community, as well. I'm all there for donating some money and helping out, man. Always have been. Especially if it brings positivity in the community and positivity around motorcycles, man. Because people view us as assholes, and run you off the road and this and that and the other, and we're bad people, but that is very untrue. And a lot of us here try to separate that, so that's what's up. Look at the beautiful mountains, man. Live in a fucking badass area. You know, growing up, I never really appreciated it. I'm like, I want to move away. You know, like, it sucks here. But you know what? It doesn't suck here. It's fucking awesome here. Look at that American flag, boy. That is just a... Oh! Fucking stalled it, bud. Sorry? It's not too bad. I had to stop and change my gloves because it's getting a little chilly. I plan on going up the mountain and back through Waynesboro, so.
Yeah, it'll be cold going up that mountain.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay bundled up. I love the ride. She says a little colder ride, ain't it? No, ma'am. We does this shit. You feel me? Real ones, motherfucker, man. Ain't cold. I did just switch my gloves, but you know, you dress for the ride, man. I'm not gonna wear a fucking tank top right now, you know? So. What's going on, guys? Just a little update from the Saucy Bird. Unfortunately, since the filming of this video, the Saucy Bird has shut down. Apparently he got a better opportunity to do what he wants to do. So unfortunately you guys won't be able to try the Saucy Bird. I still wanted to release this video because I had a good time making it and it was fun. So I just wanted to give you guys that little update, and thanks for watching. So, thanks for joining me today as we went to the Saucy Bird. It was fucking banging. Highly recommend that place. Yeah, I cannot wait to go check that place out again. I really enjoyed the Saucy Bird. So shout out to them. Thank you guys for watching. Till the next one. Peace.